Find the value of x if 2 cosec square 30 degree plus x sin square 60 degree minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree is equal to 10. We know that cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. So this LHS becomes 2 into cosec 30 is 2. So cosec square 30 will be 2 square. 2 into 2 square plus x into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So sin square 60 will be root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 tan 30 1 by root 3. So tan square 30 will be 1 by root 3 the whole square equal to 10. This is equal to 2 into 2 square is 4 plus x into root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3 equal to 10. Now 2 into 4 is 8 plus x into 3 by 4, that is 3x by 4 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. We can cut this 3 and this 3. So we will get 1 by 4 is equal to 10. Therefore, we can write 3x by 4 is equal to right side there is 10, left side 8 when it goes to right it will be minus 8, then left minus 1 by 4 when it goes to right it will be plus 1 by 4. So we get 10 minus 8 plus 1 by 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4. We can write it will be 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 divided by 4. So we get 3x by 4 is equal to 9 divided by 4. 3x by 4 is equal to 9 divided by 4. This 4 gone. So we get 3x equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. So, x equal to 3 is the answer.